Hello, I am the ScammerBlaster, and I'm going to break your phone system.
I'll trace you, and I'll kill you, and I'll kill you, and I'll kill you, and I'll kill you.
Thank you for calling support. My name is Ryan. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi Ryan. I was calling for support for my computer right now.
I'm sorry, come again, sir. What are you saying?
I said I was calling for support for my computer.
Oh, definitely, sir. I'll help you with that. May I know what happened with your device?
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. I think I got a virus on my computer, and I think it's upset my intestines. Can a virus go from a computer to a human being? Because I think this one here settled in my intestinal tract. They're clever with the viruses these.
Let me help you.
Yeah, hello. I've got two viruses, sir. I got two viruses. One on my computer, one in my guts. So I was wondering if you could help me with one or both of the problems, sir.
Sir, are you facing any problem? Can you brief me on the message which you're getting on your computer, sir?
I can barely hear you, sir, but yeah, I got an error message on my computer. So I think my computer has a virus, so it's sick. And that virus got into me somehow. Can you help me with this, sir?
I'm not able to get your voice clearly. Let me just give you a call back in the same number, sir.
We will help you, sir. How can I assist you?
Yeah, is this tech support?
Yes.
Yeah, I was wondering if I could get help with my printer. So can you help me with error problems that I'm having with...
Sir, I'm getting a lot of noise.
What noise? I'm just... I just needed help with my printer. Can you help me with my printer?
Sir, may I know your name, please?
George Benson. And
from where are you calling, sir?
I'm sorry? Oh, I was calling because I needed help with my stupid, broken printer. Can you help me with this, sir?
Sir, there is a air sound after you say any word.
There's a sound. What sound after I say any word? I don't hear anything. Is this tech support or not? You sure sound unsure of yourself. Hello, sir? Is this better? Can you hear me better now? If I speak up a little louder.
Thanks for the call.
That's how you answer the phone, is thanks for the call? That's it? That's an odd way to answer the phone, is by saying thanks for the call. But anyways, this is printer support, right, sir?
Can I assist you, sir?
Yeah.
We do provide support.
Yeah, good. So I needed help with my printer.
Thank you for calling support. You are having words with Adam. How may I assist you today?
Yeah, hi Adam. I had a problem with my computer. I was wondering if I could get some assistance with it.
I will be shortly helping you out with it, sir. Can you please let me know what you were doing on your device when you get this notification up?
Well, I was doing some research on the internet about gastrointestinal issues. I think I misspelled gastronol because that's kind of like nostril and gas, like gastronol. It's not even really a word, and I think because I did that, I got some kind of pop-up that came up on the screen. So, can you help me, sir?
Thank you for calling support. This is Kathleen. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi, Kathleen. I was wondering if you could help me with an error that I got on my computer here.
Sorry, can you come again?
I got the error on my computer and I can't seem to get it off.
Thank you for calling Microsoft. This is David. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi, David. Can you help me with a problem with my computer, please?
Can you please tell me which type of problem are you facing with your computer?
Well, I booted up my computer this morning. Oh, excuse me. I booted up my computer this morning and... Oh, sorry about that, sir. And there was this error message that came up on my computer. And I don't know how to get rid of it, sir.
Thank you for calling online support. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi. I was calling about some issue with my computer. And I needed to have a technician kind of inspect this and try to figure out what's going on. Do you have a couple minutes, sir?
Okay, let me go ahead and check it for you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. May I have your first and last name?
Yeah, my first name is George Benson. Benson.
Okay.
George Benson, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. George. Let me go ahead and check it. All right, give me a moment.
Oh, I appreciate that, sir. What's that?
Yes, sir. You are using a computer. It is like a Windows computer.
Yeah, it's a very windy Windows computer, but yeah, it's got the Windows. It's got the Windows on it, and so I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, let me connect you with the Microsoft security server so that we can fix the problem and we can check it, inspect it. So just do one thing. If you can see, Mr. George, on the very bottom left of the keyboard, there is a Windows button which is having like a 4 squares on it.
All right, 4 squares on the keyboard. Okay.
4 square button on the bottom left of the keyboard.
Yep, I see that, sir.
Yep. Yes, sir. Hold the Windows button and at the same time press the letter R. R
Okay.
as in Robert.
R.
At the same time.
I pressed the R button, sir.
Yeah, the Windows button and the letter R simultaneously, both at the same time.
Windows and the letter R. Okay. All right. Here's what I got, sir. It brought up a run box.
Yeah. Yeah, that is perfect. You got a run box on the bottom left.
Yes, the run box. Okay. What do you want me to type in the run box, sir?
Yeah, type it there in this box. I explore. I as in Indiana.
Okay. E X
E as in echo. Yeah. EXPLORE. Explore.
LORE. Like that.
Okay,
So
wait a moment.
I explore. What? .com, .net, .edu, .org. I explore. Hello. Yeah. All right, I got that, sir. What now?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, scared me.
Okay.
Scared me there for a second. Scared the poop out of me.
Okay, I explored, then put a space.
Put a space. After I explore. Okay, what next, sir?
Yeah. I explored, then put a space.
Put a space. I did that. So now there's two.
www dot
dot
bit.
bit.
Then there is a dot.
What's that, sir?
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment for what? Sir.
But did you type I explore?
Yes, sir. IEXPLORE. Okay, when I type it after the I exploring, I give a space. Then what, sir?
Okay, now wait a moment.
I can't waiting, sir. Okay, what do I type, sir? Tell me, sir.